Hello friends, running kimono. So we're going to talk about a curbside deal to get some number 7 skincare for free. Curbside deal. Special shout out and thank you to GME Coupons over on Instagram. This is where I first saw this, so I wanted to give her a quick little shout out. So if you go to your digital coupons folder, there's a whole bunch of NO7, not number 7. That's how you have to type it in. This skincare line where there are super high value coupons. There's like 5 or 6 of them. Go and load all of them right away. Yesterday, this specific deal was going crazy on social media where if you even tried to get on the Walgreens site, it was just like choking and lagging and it was really, really slow. And I couldn't put an order in to save my life. Later in the evening, I could, but it was really, really still like choking and jogging, and it was really having some issues. So, this is all dependent on what your store has. If you have a beauty counter, obviously they have more number 7 stuff, but it's really predicated on what your store might have. So some of you might be able to absolutely get this deal. Other shoppers will not be able to. So really, this is one of these stories of what you have in stock and your luck. To explain this, you're really going to have to kind of like finesse the site, kind of see what they have, play around with it, and you're going to have to get somewhat creative because it's not going to be cut and dry because unfortunately there's lots of this merchandise just not in the store anymore. And obviously the curbside prices are a lot cheaper. Thus, I'm saying to you, like, do this as a curbside deal. So for the first little deal, I'm grabbing a product for $11.99, and as you can see, it's buy one, get one 40% off. And if you look at the very bottom, see where it says $10 off coupon, thus you know you're grabbing the right item. So you're really going to have to like look around, see what they have, and you're going to be looking for items that specifically have coupons that are attaching because there's lots that don't. So it makes this kind of confusing. So this is what the digital coupon looks like. It's $10 off, manufacturer, number 7, hydrolonic acid, blah, blah, fanciness, which is really nice. Now, unfortunately, this store was cleared of all the rest of the items with the high value coupons. So I had to think outside of the box. And so I thought, you know what? These makeup wipes, I'm going to get 40% off and they're $4.19. So, hey, maybe this might be a good little dealio for myself. So, as you can see, the promotion, there's $10 off. Now, there's a code called Gift Skin, but it was making my subtotal 60 cents after everything instead of 37, so I took it off. You'll be paying more. So as you can see, there's my items. I'm picking it up. I'm going to get myself to the store, go to the photo department and pick it up. 87 cents of tax, my digital coupon plus $5 of Walgreens cash off, and it's 37 cents. Now, if I typed in Gift Skin, it just kind of changed around the coupon and it made it a total of 60 cents, even with the $5 off. So I was like, forget that. This is a lot easier for me, but you're really going to have to finesse and move things around. This isn't a straightforward thing. And as I went to like 3 or 4 stores in my region trying to find different number 7, this deal was so viral and so hot that most of everything was gone. So like it was really slim pickings. Promotion with number 7 is to buy 2, get back $5 of Walgreens cash this week. So even though I used my $5 of Walgreens cash, because it is a buy promotion, even though you use Walgreens cash, you'll still earn it back. So I went and did a quick deal last night and I got back 5. It appeared in my account later. So with this, same sort of dealio. So it makes it basically, I paid tax. I paid 37 cents for these 2 items. And I think that is an A-OK fine deal. And the Walgreens cash showed up a little bit later after I picked up my stuff. I looked for it in my store account digitally and there, boom, there it was. Now with this, this was a deal I put in last night. And forgive me, guys, I don't have the digital coupons to show it to you, but I'll just explain what I did. I grabbed one of the Radiant Cream and then one of the Acne. And I think Acne had a $12 coupon and the other one had a $10 coupon. So the subtotal is $22.18. I'm going to pick it up at the store, look at the tax. $19.19 came off, and the code Gift Skin did not work for me. I used $4 in Walgreens cash. I paid 32 cents, guys, and then I went to the store, picked it up, and then shortly thereafter, I checked the app and I got my $5 of Walgreens cash. These 2 items might be almost impossible to track down because I think that was what Gabby showed for her matchup, and like everybody went and cleared it digitally. But the other stuff that I was showing you, perhaps you might have better luck with those 2 items. But, at the very least, play around with the app. It seems to be working this morning. It's not like a hot apple fail like last night or yesterday afternoon. It was a mess. And that's why I didn't make a video, because it was so volatile. Even if you could track down 2 of these makeup wipes, there are no digital coupons, but they're on a buy one, get one 40% off, and they're $4.19 online. In store, they're $7.49. Grabbing 2 of them, that's $6.71. Get your $5 of Walgreens cash back. So basically, you're spending it and then earning it in the same increment. It basically makes it $1.71 for 2 of these number 7 makeup wipes. And this is a fancier schmancier one, 30 count. So if this is something, if you can only track this down or the other cheaper items that are working with part of this promotion, you might want to look at that. Just think outside of the box a little bit, but you are going to have to fiddle around on the website, because this will not be a clean cut, easy thing, because people went really hard for this on Sunday. I hope this helps you guys out, and I had some success this morning. That's why I'm making this video, but good luck. And it's always predicated on the stock that your store has. So hopefully if you live in a smaller market, you'll be able to track down a bunch of this. That's it for this video, guys. We'll catch you in the next one. Good luck with this deal. Bye.